Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said to Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu, "Fetch one of your sons to serve me." Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu took me along with him, seating me behind the mount. So wherever Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam would lay over, I would serve him. The same hadith says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam was coming until when Mount Uhud came into his sight. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, "It is the mount which loves us, and we love it. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I declare the territory between these two mountains a sanctuary, as Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam declared Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless the mud and the saw units for measurement of the inhabitants of Madinah Munawwara." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3308.